Hi guys, welcome back to Circus Tribe. Thank you so much for being here, for sticking with me through this journey. I know I have not posted in a very long time. I have been I don't even have the word for myself. I had a few tests and trials that all I can say is made me go through life and question my full existence. But now I am here to answer that my existence is for a reason. That is why I'm back. Okay, I am going to be posting videos again as we were before. I believe we were posting every Monday. They will be posted every single Monday at 5 p.m. and you will see on my Instagrams, I have two Instagrams. Okay, I have one Instagram where it's called Nabasiye_H. You will find everything to do with my lifestyle, food, lifestyle. You will find it there. Everything to do with crocheting. If you are interested in crocheting, making things like this, and you're interested to see how I go about doing and why am I interested in such a thing, from cooking to this, I don't know. Then you will join me at Eleva Life 24. That is ELEVA Life 24. Join me there. That's my Instagram for that. I'll have these linked down in my description box so that you all have access to them. If you have not already subscribed, I don't know if you're waiting for wedding bells or you're waiting for something else, but this is the time that for you to subscribe. I'm sure even your ancestors are nudging at you that why you not subscribed at Circus Tribe. Why? What are you waiting for? We are here to be unserious people. If you are very serious, please vacate the premises. The door is wide open. We don't like seriousness. We like unserious people over here. We like develop, learn, cook, clean, eat, sleep. If you are a like-minded person, please hit that subscription box or bell. Just hit them. I only want like-minded people. If your mind is not the same, please don't come. If your mind is full of negativity, don't arrive. Just stay where you are. Because we don't want you to derail our train where we are going. We want to carry on going. Anywho, jokes aside, on a serious note, she's back. She is back. She is back to bring you some juicy food that she makes, that she loves. Recipes that, yes, they might be out there, but they're not cooked by her. One little twist of me cooking you something, huh? But anyway, I'll be doing more. You'll see me do some vlogs, again, some dancing videos with my little boy, our favorite thing to do. You'll see me do some game nights. You get to experience Hanifa, but in her element. Please, if I say anything and it offends you, I am very sorry in advance. Okay? I can be a funny person, but sometimes my jokes might be rude. That is why I said I want unserious people here. So if you decide to stay because you think you can be unserious, please, if the stray bullet hits you, just willingly take yourself to the hospital. Okay? But I think that is it. That is all we have for today. Today was just literally to come and tell you that I am back. I am ready. I am committed. I am here. My schedule has aligned. My life is finally aligning. And every evil eye that is trying to unalign it, I rebuke you. Return back to sender wherever you came from. Do not come for me. You'll get to see me do a lot more things that I didn't think I was even capable of doing. I'm shocking myself day in, day out. So I'm sure I'll shock you all. Because I don't think anyone expected me to be able to crochet such fine things. Such fine things. And then cook the recipes that you already know. You've seen some of them. And make a mean pilau rice, and I have perfected it to perfection. Imagine. But anyway, not to blow my own trumpet. If I don't blow it, who will blow it for me? Yeah, you'll see me sit down and talk. I can be serious, so you see me sit down, talk. But when my English breaks, break your speed as well. Come on, correct me. Just break that speed. Thank you very much, and I shall see you in the next video. So every Monday you get to see a video. It could be a video of crochet, but I'm trying as much as I can to make sure I have 2 videos for you each Monday to post. So probably post one on Monday morning and one Monday afternoon, or could be able to do I haven't figured that part out yet. I'm trying to see what you guys think. It could be that Monday morning I do just crochet videos, and then on Wednesday afternoon you'll receive, so Mondays you'll receive a crochet video, and in the afternoons on Wednesdays you receive a food video. Or better still, I could do both and post them at the same time. It's entirely up to me, I guess. I am not sure yet, but that is the schedule that I'm looking at. So stay tuned in for, scratch that, let us make it Monday crochet or food video. So whichever way, each week you receive 2 videos of 1 crochet, 1 food, but you also get some shots of behind the scenes or a shot of me and my boy dancing. And that is it. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to sit here and listen to this beautiful damsel. Thank you. I appreciate you. Mwah.